Today we're going to be making this Swarovski crystal candle holder with a candle holder that I purchased from the Goodwill for $2. To get this look, I used some leftover Swarovski crystals in crystal clear, E6000 glue, and this candle holder that I just mentioned I got from the Goodwill for $2. So unlike most of my projects where I'm all about establishing a pattern and then going from there, I'm just gonna put the crystals on this candle holder how I see fit and show you the progress as I go. And I'm really just making this to show you that you can make something really beautiful for your home or for your bar or for someone else as a small gift with not a lot of money. So I'm just gonna start adding the crystals and I'll show you what they look like as I go along. This is the progress of the candle holder so far. I just added the larger crystals and I'm just gonna work my way up the stem and just keep adding until it looks really, really cute. This is the progress so far, and now I'm going to turn this upside down and start decorating the actual cup part of the candle holder. This is what the candle holder looked like before. And this is the final result. I just went around and added the crystals, super easy. And I'm gonna show you what this looks like lit. I don't have a tea light, but I'll add like a little small birthday candle just so that you can get an idea of the reflection of the crystals. So this is what it looks like with the lit candle. This is a star-shaped candle that I have inside. And the crystals really do a lot to reflect the light. Also wanted to show you that if you see these little streaks, these are just glue lines that you can easily clean up with a paper towel or a cloth. So it's really, really pretty. I really love how it turned out, and I think this is really cute to add to your mantle, or if you want to have a romantic night, or if you even want to have just a regular dinner party and just add a little bit of bling to your table. I didn't add a lot of crystals to this candle holder. I might do another one where I add a whole bunch, but I do like how this looks. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.